Skin cancer is an escalating concern, and the workplace is not immune to the risks associated with this life-threatening disease. While prevention efforts often focus on personal and leisure activities, it's vital to remember that we spend a significant amount of our lives at work. This makes the workplace a crucial setting for implementing preventive measures against skin cancer. Understanding the risks of skin cancer is crucial in initiating meaningful prevention measures in the workplace. So let's delve into skin cancer and the workplace. The types of skin cancer. The three most common types of skin cancer are basal cell carcinoma, squamous cell carcinoma, and melanoma. Each varies in severity, with melanoma being the most aggressive and life-threatening if not detected early. The main risk factors for skin cancer. Known risk factors include fair skin, a history of sunburn, excessive sun exposure, and a family history of skin cancer. However, anyone can get skin cancer, regardless of skin type or background. The role of UV exposure. Ultraviolet radiation from the sun is the leading cause of most skin cancers. Industrial and construction workers face the most risk from UV-related skin cancer. However, indoor workers who are exposed to artificial UV radiation, like those in tanning salons, also face an elevated risk. The occupations at higher risk. Workers in construction, agriculture, landscaping, and outdoor sports instruction, among others, are at a higher risk of developing skin cancer due to prolonged exposure to the sun. Once we identify the risks, the next logical step is to look at how employers can contribute to prevention. Employers hold a large slice of the responsibility pie. Conducting risk assessments. The first step employers should take in mitigating the risks of skin cancer is conducting thorough risk assessments. Not only should employers identify high-risk jobs within their organizations, but they should also conduct regular evaluations to measure UV exposure levels. Creating and implementing policies. A well-structured policy is a cornerstone in fostering a workplace that minimizes skin cancer risks. Policies should outline the responsibilities of both employers and employees and should include a detailed action plan for risk mitigation. Employers must also be aware of their legal obligations regarding employee health and safety. Training and education. Knowledge is power, therefore, employers should provide employees with the right information about skin cancer. Regular training programs, workshops, and seminars are effective ways to educate staff. Remember, the information should be up to date and in line with the latest research. Providing protective measures. Employers must go beyond paperwork and implement tangible protective measures in the workplace. This can include providing protective clothing and gear, installing shade structures for outdoor jobs, and placing sunscreen dispensers at strategic locations. Of course, it's not just up to employers. Employees have an equally important role to play in prevention. Being aware and informed. As an employee, taking the initiative to understand the risks associated with your job can make a significant difference. Always participate in training sessions and actively seek information. Using provided protective measures. Using the protective measures provided by the employer is not just beneficial, but often mandatory for your safety. Whether it's wearing a wide-brimmed hat or regularly applying sunscreen, make a habit of using the available protective gear. Self-monitoring and reporting. Early detection can be life-saving when it comes to skin cancer. Periodic self-examinations should be done, and report any suspicious skin changes to your healthcare provider and supervisors immediately. Employer and employee responsibilities are not mutually exclusive. Instead, they should be seen as collaborative efforts. Open communication channels allow for a more proactive approach, and it's crucial to regularly review and update policies and measures. After all, a safe workplace benefits everyone involved.